Hey guys, well, welcome to another episode of the Maestro. Today we're going to introduce you to my newish 2017 Aprilia Tuono Factory. I bought this bike a number of months ago. It was up on the internet for the Moto Club all of about 30 minutes, and I made an offer and bought it, and the salesman said, wow, I had this thing posted for like a half an hour and it's gone. And it's a beautiful bike. Forged wheels, Akrapovic, only 2,200 miles when I bought the thing. Of course, it's got the Öhlins suspension, and it's got that neat little windscreen, and I think the 2017 is one of the prettiest bikes out there. Anyway, this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th Tuono. I currently own a Generation 2, as you probably know. I had a Generation 1, and I also had 3 1000s. Anyway, going to 9 Mile, the question here is, why does Lawrence shake his head? And we're going to find out. Anyway, so here we go. There's a Tuono 1100 leading the way, followed by Lawrence, followed by B Queen on her famous Gsxr 1000, and then a Gsxr 750, and I'm taking up the chase. So we're going to give you some good pointers on some good riding skills as well as a very funny moment. Okay, so on the pass on that Tuono we just went around, I was lining him up. I was watching him and I could tell that his corner entrance was a little slow, and knowing the road, I knew exactly where I was gonna get him. Get him. Sorry, but it's an increasing radius corner. You duck in and you can just carry speed throughout the corner, nice and clean.